One of the big themes that we are going to come back to time and time again in this class is cell structure and function. Today, it's going to be all about how the shape of a cell determines its function and how the internal structure of the cell and its organelles help a cell achieve its function. What you are going to do in this activity is you are going to observe a microscope image and a drawing of 4 different cell types, and then you're going to research the function of those cells. So each cell has a link that will tell you what the function is, and you'll use the website to highlight important structural and functional features of the cell. You can use bullet points, that's fine, but your ideas must be clearly developed. And then you need to answer a question. Why do you think the cell is shaped the way it is? And think about its job and how it relates to its structure. There are a total of 4 different cells, all of which we're going to be studying in more detail once we get into our histology unit, or once we start our histology unit this week. So first we have a neuron. Next we have small intestine. Next, we have a leukocyte, or a type of white blood cell. And then finally, we have lung cells. So you're going to answer research and answer this question for each of those 4 cell types. If you have any questions on this assignment, please feel free to send me an email.